Having us, we're home together, and this song's called Quiet as a Mouse.
100,000 bricks living in this house. 100 million years ago, we used to call this home. At least 100 people, we used to call them friends, living on their own. It's quiet as a mouse. We used to call my mother almost every day. I used to call my father Tom. Now I'm on my own. It's quiet as a mouse. I don't call him anything. I don't ask for anything. Metaphor is nuclear. Let's see who brings first. I used to live in Maryland. I worked in a salon. Till I saved up for a used car. And then I quit and I just drove. Now I live in Idaho, middle west of Hamilton. It's bitter to chew, but it tastes better than it used to. I used to call my mother almost every day. I miss her most when it's a winter time. And I'm as quiet as a mouse, except that I don't even squeak. And my car is making funny sounds. And oil always leaks. Metaphor is nuclear. We've got our fingers on the switches. And nobody says a word, because they don't know what to think. Just have to wait and see. Now I am a mother. The child calls me mom. She's never heard of love, but she'll never know how close we came. She's louder than a mouse. She sings like a fluffy mockingbird. She goes and she cooes. Sounds better than it used to. Sounds better than it used to.